Hello, welcome to TVCMALL. We continue our factory tour. Today I want to take you on an exclusive tour of production process, showcasing every meticulous step of making our stylish, durable, eco-friendly tablet cases. Our journey begins with a design studio, where our talented designers make designs and concepts according to the market trends and also according to our customers' needs. We use some software to make blueprints. Then with this machine, we can make some 3D models. Once the design finalized, we move to the prototyping phase, where a lot of machines and workers can put the designs to life. Quality begins with right material. We source premium grades PU laser, eco-friendly synthetic, and robust polymers to make sure that our tablet cases are not only stylish but also durable. Now we are in the cutting room. Here you can see our worker using this machine to cut the material to different sizes to fit different models. After cutting the material to the right size, another worker will remove the film of the protection to prepare the next phase. In the case, there are several bolts, magnets, and some piece of metal. Our skilled workers need to assemble these parts first. This is the inner case of the tablet case, and we source from another factory. We put magnets in the inner case. After preparation of the materials, we use this welding and cutting machine to cut material into shape. With the molding machine, the product can be finalized. In the factory, we have a lot of welding and cutting machines for different models, so we can make cases for different models of big quantity at the same time. This is the final product. Then we can make a customization. For example, if you need your own logo, we have machines to print your logos. And also if you need any stickers, we can put a sticker on your products. Then we can make a package according to your need. Okay, that is how we make tablet cases for different models with different materials and with different patterns. If you are interested, please follow us. See you next time.